Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report. Charts present videos on Friday the 26th of August with me, Richard Brown, market analyst at Asset Markets. We've just had out the UK GDP revision and I'm going to look at sterling dollar now, and we've had a mild gain on sterling dollar on the back of that revision. The move was in line with expectations, which I'll show you now. So the data was basically in line, no change actually with the first reading, and also in line with expectations. But the market sort of looking at on the positive side, investment in the UK was actually up 0.5% in the first quarter, having expected to be down, or business investment I should say. So that was taken as a positive as well, and the fact that there was no downward revision, which there was expected to be. Or there could have been, considering the sort of June data would have started to take account of the Brexit, but the fact that there was no downward revision was taken to be a positive, and sterling just mildly benefited on the back of that, just about 5-10 ticks higher. No real move, but still we're looking at this this cable chart, and the move lower continues. Whereby the lower highs remains intact, as this shallow downtrend continues to run. That peak of 32.72 the other day remains the high. Yesterday's mildly correct sort of negative candle sort of took the pair slightly lower, but it still looks as though this is going to be a rally that gets sold into, really, to be honest. Momentum indicator sort of around 50 on the RSI, around neutral on the MACD lines as well. The near-term move has been reflected in the stochastics rising, but still I think that there's sort of the overhead resistance that comes in now with the downtrend, the fib level, and also the lower high at 33.70 should now provide the basis of resistance for the next run lower. You look at this hourly chart and you'd still say you're in an uptrend channel. You're actually holding on to the support of that uptrend channel, and the support, interestingly, at 31.60 as well, which was Wednesday's low and also today's low. So that is sort of the line of support holding, that sort of breakout level above 31.75 effectively still holding. So you'd be looking out for that as being the basis of support now, but if you broke below 31.60, that sort of completes a near-term top pattern. So again, watch out for that, but for now we're still trading around about the levels that we were just prior to that GDP decision. Very marginal sort of gains on cable, but they seem to be just unwound a little bit. But I think in front of Janet Yellen's speech today, I think it's not going to do a great deal. You might get a bit of movement on the back of the US GDP data, but again, I think it's all pretty much looking towards Janet Yellen and how she comes across this afternoon at 3 o'clock. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.